Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Jazlan bin Sukman Suzzak and I am currently working as an application developer at Protect Digital Sindia Berhad. I recently graduated with a Bachelor of Computer Science Honours from University Technology Mara UITM Shah Alam. Like many fresh graduates, I spent years learning programming, databases, software engineering, and artificial intelligence while completing assignments projects and examinations. Back then, I believed that if an application could run successfully, then the project was complete. However, after entering the industry, I quickly realized that developing software in the real world is very different from developing software in a classroom. Today, I would like to share my journey from being a university student to becoming a developer involved in a government digital transformation project known as TerraBox, and how this experience changed my understanding of technology. When I was in university, one of my major projects was my final year project where I developed a mobile application called AgroRice Lens for weedy rice classification using artificial intelligence. The technologies I used in this project including convolutional neural network, CNN, YOLO V5, and PyTorch. This project helped me strengthen my technical knowledge and gave me greater confidence in software development. However, after graduation, I learned that technology is not only about developing applications, it is about solving real world problems. One of the first major projects I became involved in was TerraBox. TerraBox is a digital self-service solution developed to improve document submission and collection services. Traditionally, users often needed to visit service counters, wait in long queues, and depend on office operating hours to complete their transactions. TerraBox transformed this process into a faster, safer, and more efficient digital experience. As you can see on the slide, the picture I attached shows the TerraBox machine. It is available at the Pejabat Tanah Wilayah Persekutuan office. Basically, the system run in TerraBox allows user to submit and collect documents independently through a self-service kiosk. It integrates multiple technologies such as biometric identity verification, QR code authentication, online payment services, electronic notifications, and secure document management workflows. As a developer, I was involved in developing and maintaining several components of the system, including biometric integration, my card reader functionality, OTP verification, and document handling processes. At first, I thought my role was simply to write code, but as the project progressed, I realized that every feature we developed would eventually be used by real people. Every successful transaction represented a citizen completing an important task more efficiently. Every bug had the potential to affect a user's experience. This completely changed my perspective on software development. Through my experience with TerraBox, I discovered three important benefits that technology can bring to public services. The first benefit is efficiency. By introducing a self-service approach, TerraBox helps reduce dependency on physical service counters and minimize waiting time for users. Processes that previously required manual interaction can now be completed more quickly and systematically. The second benefit is security. When dealing with important documents, security is critical. TerraBox incorporates biometric verification and identity authentication technologies to ensure that only authorized individuals can access specific services. This helps improve trust and protect sensitive information. The third benefit is convenience. Users can complete transactions through a simple and user-friendly processes. Features such as QR code verification, electronic notifications, and online payment integration create a smoother and more accessible experience for users while supporting digital transformation initiatives. Working on TerraBox taught me that being a developer is not just about coding. A successful project requires teamwork, communication, and the willingness to keep learning. I also realized that technology is most valuable when it solves real problems for people. As a fresh graduate, this experience helped me understand that our job is not only to build systems, but to create solutions that make services easier, faster, and more convenient for users. In conclusion, TerraBox demonstrates how digital technologies can transform traditional public services into smarter, safer, and more efficient solutions. As a fresh graduate, I am grateful to have the opportunity to contribute to a project that supports digital transformation and serves the public. My journey has shown that every line of code has the potential to make a difference, and that is what makes technology truly meaningful. Thank you very much. And Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.